Double-click the HandyDentist icon. Click the plus button next to the patient name and select an exam record. Right-click on an X-ray image. Select AI Edit. Handy AI detects tooth structure, diseases, and restorations. The analysis results are shown here. You can manually select the teeth on the tooth chart. Toggle on Show Tags. Hover the cursor over the image to see them. Toggle off Select All to see the original image. Toggle on or off elements and adjust the color opacity according to your needs. You can also customize any color. Click to download the Handy AI report. You can scan the QR code to view the report on your phone or download the report to your local computer. Here is your full Handy AI report. The overview shows your selected teeth, as well as the original versus the AI analysis X-ray. Each detected disease or restoration is shown separately.